Hello class. So we have completed our previous exercise 15a and now we are going to start our next exercise 15b. In 15a we have studied about the mean and this exercise we are going to study about the median. How to find out the median. Median means you can say median or the middle term. Means if the set of number is given, then you have to find out the middle term. So first of all, let's discuss that what is the median. So the definition of median is the median of a set of numbers is the middle number when all the numbers are arranged in descending or ascending order. Means the first step to find out the median is you have to arrange the number in ascending order or in descending order. First, if the numbers are already arranged, then just find out the median. But if the numbers are not arranged in either in ascending or in descending, so your first thing is to arrange them in ascending or descending order and then just distribute them equally from the front and from the back and you will get your median. So there are two ways to find out the median. Suppose let's take an example. I am taking a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here you have to find out the median. How many number of terms here? You are having 5 number of terms here. 5 is the odd number. Odd number means which cannot be divisible by 2. So here the number of term is 5 and 5 is the odd number. So you will directly get one median. How? First, distribute them equally from the front and from the back. I am distributing it 2 from the back and 2 from the front. Don't distribute them unequally. That from the front you are removing 2 terms and from the back you are removing only 1. No, you have to distribute them equally. So 2 from the back, 2 from the front. And what is the middle term? The middle term is 3. That means 3 is your median. Easy? Now let's take another example. Suppose you are having a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many numbers are here? Here 6 numbers are there and 6 is the even number. If you are having even number, then you will get 2 medians. Okay. If you are having total number is odd, you will get only 1 median. But if you are having total even numbers, then you will get 2 medians. How you will distribute them? You can distribute them equally by dividing it into 2 and 2. So here it is clearly see that you are getting 2 medians, 3 and 4. But we want only 1 median. That means our median will lie between 3 and 4. How? We have to just add both of them and divide by 2. So 3 plus 4 will give you 7 upon 2 which will give you 3.5. Now don't get bothered that 3.5 is not present in our data. Median means the middle term. And if you are getting 2 median, the one median will lie exactly between the both of them. 3 and 4, you are getting 2 medians, but we want only 1. So if we want to change 2 of them in 1, the one median will lie between both of them. And 3.5 will lie between 3 and 4 and which will be your median. So now let's start our exercise. Now we are going to discuss 15b. This is very small exercise. So in our first question you have to find the median of the following. And this is your question 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. First of all check that whether your question is in ascending order or in descending order. So it is clearly seen that this question is already arranged in the ascending order. Ascending order means first you have to write down the smaller, then after greater and in the last the highest number. That is your ascending order. So it is already in the ascending order, so no need to rearrange it. Just check that how many total numbers you are having. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means odd number. That means we can directly get our median. So you have to just divide them equally. So 2 from the front and 2 from the back. What is the middle term? The middle term is 5 and 5 is our median. In our next question it is given 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32. Okay. So check that whether it is in the ascending or descending order. So it is already arranged in the ascending order. Now calculate how many total number of terms you are having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 terms you are having. 8 means an even number. Even number means divisible by 2. That means here you will get more than one median. So first of all, divide them equally. So I am taking 3 from the front, 3 from the back. Now you are having 16 and 20, 2 medians, but we want only one median. So what we have to do? 16 plus 20 divide by 2. Find out their mean. So this will give you 36 upon 2, that means 18. That means the 18 will be the median for the question number 2. So first step, what you have to do? You have to check that whether your series is arranged in ascending order or descending order. Okay. If your series is already arranged, then move towards the next step will be counting of your total numbers. If you are having odd numbers, total odd numbers, then by dividing them equally, you will directly get a median. But if you are having the even numbers, you will get more than one median. So divide them equally. After that, whatever number you are getting in between, add them and divide by 2. You will get your median. Now let's start next question. Next question number C. Digits are given 60, 33, 63, 61, 44, 48 and 51. So you can see that these digits are neither arranged in ascending order or in descending order. So your first step should be arrange in ascending order or in descending order. It will be more convenient to arrange it in the ascending order. That's why I am rearranging it in the ascending order. But you can arrange it in descending order as well. That is also correct. Okay. So our first step to be arranged in the ascending order. Ascending means first we have to write the smaller one. And in the end we have to write down the greater one. So this is the arrangement of the ascending order. Now the second step should be count the total numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are having 7 numbers and 7 is an odd number. So we can directly divide them equally and we will get our median. So I am going to distribute them in 3 from the front and 3 from the back. What is the middle term? The middle term is 51. That means the median is 51. That is the very easy question. Now next question number D. In question number D also there is no arrangement. So first step should be arrange it in the ascending order. So this is the arrangement of ascending order. Now second step is calculate the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are having 10 numbers. 10 is an even number. That means we will get more than one median. So let's divide it in equal parts. So 4 from the front, 4 from the back. How many total number you are having? You are having 2 numbers, 16 and 17. You want only one. So 16 plus 17 divide by 2. 16 plus 17 will give you 33 and upon 2 will give you 16.5. That means 16.5 is your median. Okay, first step should be arrange it either in ascending or in descending order. Second step should be count the total numbers and according that find out your median. The last question of our exercise is 15 students secured the following marks in a test in English. Find the median marks. It is already given that the total number of students is 15. 15 is an odd number, so we will directly get our median and the marks are given. So when you will observe the marks, you will find out that these marks are not arranged in either ascending or descending order. So first rearrange them. So these all are the numbers. Ascending order will be first you have to write down the smaller number. And in this question, few numbers are repeating. So you have to write them 2 times or 3 times how many times they are given. Okay. So 10 is the least number, after that 11, 13, 17 comes 2 times in our arrangement. So we have to write down 2 times. Then 18, 19, 20, 23, 25, 28, 29, 29 2 times, 30 and 35. Okay, it is already given that it is number is 15. So just divide them equally. So I am going to take 7 from the front and 7 from the back. So we will get the middle term as 20. That means our median will be 20. If the odd number is given, then directly by dividing them into equally part, we will get the median. Okay. So this is the end of your exercise 15B, and now we are going to start our next exercise 15C in our next video. So till then, thank you so much and take care, class.